So tonight we're getting ready to pull the pump out of the transmission. And whether it's Ford, GM, Chrysler, they're all pretty much the same. They suggest you use 2 slide hammers to pull the pump out. Awesome idea. But in case you don't have 2 slide hammers handy, I came up with another idea, since I've been doing these repeatedly, that I believe is actually better and certainly a lot less expensive. So what you got to do is get you some, in this case I'm going to use 3/16 key stock, and it's going to be 1.25 inches long. I came up with that measurement by getting the total depth of the hole was 1 3/4 inch, and the pump width itself is 7/8 of an inch, and the threads that we'll use to pull the pump are a 1/2 inch deep. So I decided to go with a key stock or a pump removal pin 1 1/4 inches long. Now what that does is that allows me to, this is going to be hard to see. Alright, there it is. The bottom set of threads is what these go into. Alright, that holds the pump in. The top set of threads, which you can see easily right there, are what your slide hammer is designed to go into. Alright? So you can want to stay out of the bottom set of threads, or you'll damage them. You can't just run a bolt in. You have to take your pin you made. There it is right there, 1 1/4 inch. I already got one in the other one there. See? There's 2 of these holes. And you just take that, tuck it in there. There you go. Oh, magnetic screwdriver, I love those. And there you go. It'll allow you to use the entire thread length. There. I don't know what size those are yet. Or I even got one. That does seem to be threading. Anyway, so you will be able to simply thread 2 bolts into there, like that, into that one, and into the other hole there. These are for something else that have to do with this project. And I'm not sure what. I might have used them for something else, because I've pulled the engine and everything on this. But these look like they would work. There. Now all you got to do is tighten those two bolts there and there and pull your pump out. I've used this method several times and it works quite well. But whatever you do, don't just run the bolts in without putting your pins in first. You got to make pins. I tried it once and I had to repair the aluminum threads, which are soft in the first place, and it worked. But you won't be happy with the results. Anyway, so that's how to pull the pump on a transmission from Rudie Racing. Just thought you might want to see maybe not a better way than using 2 slide hammers, but I think once you try it, even if you've been using slide hammers, you're going to be a lot happier with this. Thank you very much and have a nice day.